channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. So today I'm going to be doing a Venom look for you, and it's for Halloween, as well as inspiration for the new movie coming up. So here's my look. I hope you enjoy it, and so don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and keep on watching to see how I got this look. I'll be taking some black eyeshadow and mapping out the mouth of Venom. I'm also going to be dragging it down my neck. Back again with some black eyeshadow, I'm going to be creating Venom's sharp teeth. And back in with some black eyeshadow and face paint, I'm going to be creating the tongue. Also going to create some teeth. I'm going to be taking some pink face paint and filling in the tongue and the gum area. I'm now going to add some white face paint to the teeth. With face paint, I'm going to apply this into the areas that need to be covered. Black face paint, I'm going to create Venom's eye shape. Some white face paint, I'm just going to be covering the eyes. With some black face paint, I'm now going to be covering my face. That's the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this Venom inspired look, and keep on watching to see more videos.